Bardhaman, a name that rings through history, echoing the tales of a land that has been the heart of Bengal for centuries. This city, with its deep historical roots, has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of cultures, and the passage of countless generations. Bardhaman reminds us of the green fields and rich history of West Bengal, India. Its fertile lands have been the backbone of Bengal's agriculture, nurturing the soil and the souls of its people. About 100 kilometers north of the bustling city of Kolkata, Bardhaman, also known as Burdwan, stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of this vibrant region. The journey from Kolkata to Bardhaman is like traveling through time, from the modern hustle to the serene embrace of nature. Known as the Rice Bowl of Bengal, Bardhaman's lush green fields have been feeding the people of Bengal for generations. The sight of expansive rice fields stretching as far as the eye can see is a testament to the region's agricultural prowess. The air here is filled with the earthy aroma of growing rice, a scent that speaks of the land's fertility and the hard work of its farmers. Each grain of rice tells a story of dedication, tradition, and the cycle of life. But Bardhaman is more than just its farms. It is a city with a rich and fascinating past where every corner has a story to tell. From ancient temples to bustling markets, Bardhaman is a living museum of history and culture. The city is dotted with ancient temples and palaces, each a relic of a bygone era. These historical landmarks are not just structures of stone and mortar. They are the keepers of stories of old rulers, lost empires, and the cultural tapestry of Bengal. From the ancient times to the bustling city it is today, Bardhaman's journey through time is an exciting story waiting to be discovered. The cityscape, with its blend of old and new, tells a tale of resilience and adaptation. In the midst of all this history is a city that is rapidly evolving. Bardhaman is dealing with the growing pains of modernization while striving to preserve its unique character. The juxtaposition of construction sites and ancient architecture is a visual representation of this dynamic transformation. This is Bardhaman, a city where the past and present meet, a city that invites you to uncover its hidden treasures and experience the true essence of Bengal. From its historical landmarks to its vibrant markets, Bardhaman is a place where history lives on and the future is being built. Our journey starts long, long ago before written history, when the land that is now Bardhaman heard the footsteps of our ancestors. These early inhabitants roamed the dense forests and fertile plains, leaving behind traces of their existence that we are only beginning to uncover. Archaeological findings whisper stories of a time gone by, revealing tools, pottery, and remnants of ancient dwellings. These artifacts paint a vivid picture of a thriving community that existed thousands of years ago, showing people lived here as far back as 5000 BC. The ruins of ancient settlements stand as silent witnesses to the ingenuity and resilience of these early settlers. The name Bardhaman itself is very old, steeped in history and tradition. It is believed to have originated from the name Vardhamana, an important Jain teacher who played a significant role in the region's spiritual and cultural development, probably coming from Vardhamana, an important Jain teacher. His teachings and influence left an indelible mark on the area, shaping its religious and cultural landscape. Stories say this respected teacher visited the area, leaving a lasting impact. The ancient temples and statues dedicated to him are a testament to his enduring legacy. Over thousands of years, Bardhaman saw empires rise and fall. The changing seasons over the ancient ruins reflect the passage of time and the many civilizations that have called this land home. Its good land attracted rulers and conquerors. The fertile plains and strategic location made Bardhaman a coveted prize for many empires. The area was part of the powerful Mauryan Empire, one of the largest and most influential empires in ancient India, connected to the famous Emperor Ashoka, a very important person in Indian history. Ashoka's reign brought significant political and cultural changes to Bardhaman, leaving behind inscriptions and monuments that still stand today. As time went on, different rulers controlled Bardhaman, each leaving their mark on the area's culture. The architectural styles of the fortresses and monuments reflect the diverse influences of these various rulers, each leaving their mark on the area's culture. From the intricate carvings to the unique designs of ancient structures, Bardhaman's rich cultural tapestry is woven from the threads of its diverse past. The Gupta Empire, known for its art and literature, also ruled Bardhaman, bringing a time of wealth and culture. The murals and manuscripts from this period are a testament to the flourishing artistic and intellectual life of the time. Also ruled Bardhaman, bringing a time of wealth and culture. The Gupta period is often referred to as the Golden Age of India, and Bardhaman was no exception, experiencing a renaissance in art, literature and science. The Mughal Empire started a new part of Bardhaman's story. This was a time of great change and transformation for the region, marking the beginning of a significant chapter in its history. In 1657, the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, known for his military prowess and administrative skills, gave the area to Abu Rai, a loyal soldier who had shown exceptional bravery and loyalty in numerous battles. Abu Rai was not just a soldier, he was a visionary leader. He became the first Maharaja of Bardhaman, laying the foundation for what would become a powerful and influential dynasty. This began the Bardhaman Raj, a ruling family that would shape the area for many years. The Maharajas of Bardhaman were known for their wisdom, strategic acumen, and dedication to the welfare of their people. Under their rule, Bardhaman flourished. The region became a hub of culture, art, and architecture. Grand palaces, beautiful temples, and lush gardens were built, showcasing the grandeur and prosperity of the time. The Maharajas were patrons of the arts. They invited artists, musicians, and scholars from all over the country to Bardhaman, making it a center for cultural and intellectual exchange. But things were changing in India. The Mughal Empire, once mighty and unchallenged, was weakening. This shift in power dynamics had a profound impact on Bardhaman. The British East India Company, with its growing influence and military strength, saw an opportunity. They were keen to control Bengal's rich lands and resources. In 1760, the Battle of Plassey became a turning point. The British East India Company defeated the Nawab of Bengal, marking the beginning of British dominance in the region. Bardhaman, like the rest of Bengal, became part of British India. This started a time of colonial rule that changed the area's politics, economy, and society. The British brought new administrative systems and economic policies, which had both positive and negative impacts on the region. While some infrastructure developments took place, the local economy and traditional ways of life were disrupted. Despite these changes, the spirit of Bardhaman remained resilient. The people adapted to the new circumstances, finding ways to preserve their rich cultural heritage and continue their traditions. Today, Bardhaman stands as a testament to its vibrant history. The legacy of the Maharajas, the influence of the Mughals, and the impact of British rule are all etched into the fabric of the city. As we walk through its streets, we can see the layers of history that have shaped Bardhaman into what it is today, a city that honors its past while looking forward to the future. The story of Bardhaman is a reminder of the resilience and adaptability of its people who have navigated through various phases of history with grace and strength. It is a legacy etched in time, a narrative that continues to inspire and captivate those who delve into its rich and diverse past. As we explore Bardhaman, we are reminded of the enduring spirit of its people and the timeless beauty of its heritage. The city's history is not just a series of events, but a living, breathing story that continues to evolve and inspire. Bardhaman's journey through time is a testament to its resilience, its ability to adapt, and its unwavering spirit. As we look to the future, we carry with us the lessons of the past, honoring the legacy of those who came before us. Bardhaman's story is far from over. It is a living testament to the enduring power of history and the indomitable spirit of its people. As we continue to explore and understand its past, we are reminded of the rich tapestry of history that has shaped this remarkable city. Bardhaman's legacy is etched in time, a story that continues to unfold, inspiring generations to come. Bardhaman's success comes from farming and industry. The rich land makes it a big farming centre, growing lots of crops. Its factories, with a long history of coal mining and making steel, keep the economy strong. These two things are the backbone of Bardhaman's success. Bardhaman has a good transportation system, making it easy for people and goods to move around. The city is an important train hub, connecting different parts of India. Its roads are also very good, connecting everything well. This strong transportation system helps local businesses and makes it easy to reach Bardhaman from other parts of the country. Like any growing city, BhabUrban has challenges, managing its fast growth, making sure it grows in a good way, and building what it needs are ongoing jobs. But with good planning and help from the community, BhabUrban is handling these challenges, aiming for balanced growth that includes everyone. BhabUrban is more than just a city. It's a trip to the heart of Bengal. Its rich culture, lively traditions, and friendly people give you a special look at the soul of the region. From its historical places to its busy markets and peaceful countryside, BhabUrban invites you to experience the real Bengal everywhere you go.